I have a HP DC power supply adapter, but I don't have the plug. So today I will make a plug. I'm gonna use a screw to fix the pin inside, and I have a juice bag. I'm gonna cut this part to use this part to be the connect to the outer part. Now I'm making the connector to the inner part. So I'm gonna take a nickel sheet. I bend it like this, and then I try to make sure it connect to the pin inside. Now I connect the power, and I can measure if I got the power. Yes, so we have the power. So this pin looks okay. Now I cut piece of screw. I put it cover this pin. Then I can try to insert this screw inside. I'm gonna use a glue gun to glue this part just to make it stable. Now you can see. So I'm gonna test it again. We measure power. So as you can see, we still have the power, so connection is good. Now I will cut this part from this juice bag. Now I need to make the connection to the external pin. So what do? I take a nickel sheet. Now I need to shape it like this. Now I have two sheets prepared. So I'm gonna try it. So it looks perfect. Now I'm gonna try the middle one. So test the whole parts. So I plug in this middle part in, and then I can measure the power. So you can see we have power. So what I'm gonna do is I will glue these parts to isolate these two metal parts. Okay. Now I have finished the glue, and this is the finished part. You can see inner part has the screw made a connection here, and then we have a cable soldered on the connection. Now I have finished this connector. You can see inside here looks okay. We're gonna test it again. So we plug in, and then we measure the power. So it's perfect. You can plug in as many times as you want.